What is going through your mind right now? Are you thinking about how yesterday you promised yourself you'd get to the gym, but maybe you didn't quite make it? Or maybe an exam you have at the end of this week that you haven't started studying for? Some people find that this happens a lot, that they ruminate about things that have happened in the past or think about things that may or may not happen in the future. This begs the question, is your mind full or are you being mindful? The concept of mindfulness is rooted in ancient Buddhist meditative techniques. However, it was not until more recently that it became of interest to Western practitioners. In contemporary psychology, mindfulness is said to be composed of two important things. First, the self-regulation of our attention to our immediate experience, thoughts, feelings, behaviors, and environment. And second, orienting towards this immediate experience in a non-judgmental and open manner. Mindfulness has been integrated into mindfulness-based therapies to increase self-awareness and to help us identify and respond to the processes in our mind and in our body that are involved in maladaptive thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Over the past decade, it's been integrated into mindfulness-based therapies to treat ADHD. ADHD affects 5 to 7% of children and around 4% of adults worldwide. And it impacts these individuals across multiple settings, such as school, work, and relationships. The most common treatment is medication. However, for individuals who do not wish to take medication to treat their ADHD, or for those who suffer negative side effects from these medications, developing new treatments is really important. My research seeks to investigate whether these mindfulness-based therapies can be effective in reducing inattention and hyperactivity and impulsivity in individuals who have been diagnosed with ADHD. In order to do this, I collected all of the published and unpublished studies that have investigated the effects of mindfulness-based therapy on ADHD, and I used a statistical technique that allowed me to combine all of these results to determine what overall effect this therapy has on these individuals. My results emphasize two important things. First, preliminary results do suggest that mindfulness-based therapies can reduce inattention and hyperactivity and impulsivity in individuals who have been diagnosed with ADHD. And second, more research is warranted in this area due to the limitations of each of the individual studies, such as small and diverse samples. Further investigation into the utility of mindfulness-based therapies in treating ADHD will help us to determine whether this can be used as an effective therapy for these individuals to not only improve functioning, but to increase quality of life. Thank you very much.